Hey guys, so I'm gonna do like rancho stuff, like camp, like I don't know how you say rancho in English, but I'm gonna feed the birds. So let me show you. So okay, so these are for the birds from outside, and this is the food that I make sure they have, and they do come and eat. Birds we have here. And we have this one here also. But yeah, so this is what the birds, wild birds, come and eat. And then we have this little small one right here. Oops. Okay, and this little cotton here. And then we have this garden. It's my mom's garden. And we have feeding stuff in here. So I like to put more here. Right here. So, wild birds. This is the garden here. And then I want to show you the garden that my mom has here. Isn't it beautiful? Here we go. I remember you guys did this a long year. I did this. We didn't have this. So look at this. We also got some chiles that I think we need to cut because they're getting orange or yellow. So they need some water too. So we got some chiles here too. Okay, let's continue. And this is the little house that my dog sleeps that we have outside. So we have some foods here because the squirrels and birds come and eat. And then we have 2 extras here. One here. Okay, I'm gonna bring some more food. It is hot today. It is crazy hot today. So I'm filming you guys with my camera because I haven't used it. No, not quite yet. I need more food. Put some more food in here. So this is the other one we have. It is so hot today. Oh. I like to put a lot. There we go. Oh no, just throw what I have left over here. There you go, see? And that's it. That's it, guys. Oh my god, it's so hot. I just wanted to show you because I haven't been active on my channel. And I've been reading your comments that you guys like to, you know, watch me do more like ranch stuff. I did a long one. I did one alone. Yeah. See you guys later on today. Yeah, so bye guys.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so it's been like 6 hours or more. The sun is in, it's not hot. I'm gonna give the hummingbirds food. So I use this granule sugar. I use normal sugar. I use 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water, and I'm gonna pour it into this cup for them. So just watch. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my pot, and then I'm gonna grab the sugar. And we're gonna do 1 cup. Okay, so you guys can see 1 cup, and I'm gonna pour it in here. Now I'm gonna grab some 4 cups of water. Fill it all the way up. 1, 2, and 4, and then we mix. So I'm gonna do the rest and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and hung them up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I have another one. This is a little walking right here. Little walking place. I have one on the back of my room. So, not too long ago, we found a snake right here. It was a black one. But, wait, hold guys, I don't want to fall. And I might fall, don't laugh at me, please. Just kidding, I'm not going to fall. So, the other one is right here. This is really nice because it's like a eye drop. Or like a water drop. So, this is mine. So, we're going to refill it with remaining water. Okay guys, so going to walk, and I'm gonna refill it with the remaining water that I have. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I had to change because the eye drop broke, so I had to change this one. So here it is, and that's my room right there. So yeah, here it is. So I am going to end it, well, I can't really say. I'm going to end it here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll keep doing these for the rest of the summer. We're almost, we're almost out of summer, but I'm gonna try to do this because I know you guys like these, and I gotta do something new. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day today. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.